Welcome to the house. Would you like to come in? Come on in, make yourself at home. So, where are my manners? I'm Puffy. This is Gooey. We're best friends. What brings you to our house? Oh, I forgot to ask. What's your name? My name is Slimebot 2000. I am a robot. It is nice to meet you, Slimebot. So, do you want to play a game? Sure. What do you have in mind? We can play hide and seek or tag. I'm not really good at hiding, but I'm really good at seeking. So, I found you. Ha, ha. Gotcha. You're such a good seeker, Puffy. Oh, thank you. I like to move fast when I seek. Do you want to go on an adventure with us sometime? Sure. That sounds like fun. When do you want to go? How about now? Okay. Wait, I forgot to ask. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite color, Slimebot? My favorite color is red. Red. That's a great color. Welcome to Puffy and Gooey's world of slime, where colors swirl and bubbles chime. We mix and squeeze with joy and glee, in a slimy land of creativity. Look at Puffy. She's dancing in slow motion with her glitter slime. And here's Gooey. He's making a smiley face with a piping bag. It's so cute. They're gonna have so much fun playing with their slime in this world, where anything goes. There's no rules. Just squish it, squeeze it, and don't pop the bubbles. Oh, and watch out for the glitter. It's magical. It sparkles and shines. Just like these two friends. They're always having a good time. So join them and let your imagination run wild. In a world of slime, anything can happen, and that's why it's so fun. What will you create in your slime world? A castle, a car, a squishy, sparkly friend. The possibilities are endless, so get ready to squish, to squeeze, and to giggle with glee. The giant slime table. Narrator. Today, Puffy and Gooey have something squishy and silly to show you. Let's go! A camera zooms in on a giant slime table with bowls, glitter, glue, and piping bags. Puffy, excited. Hi friends, let's fill these piping bags with colorful slime. Gooey, giggling, and smoosh them into shapes. Hey! Subtitles. Let's fill the piping bags. Relaxing close-ups of slime being poured into clear piping bags. ASMR slime sound. Effects. Squish, pop, stretch, splat. Soft nursery rhyme in background. Twinkle, twinkle, slimy star, shiny glitter in a jar. Friends, can you help me? I'm trying to make a giant slime sculpture, but it's so hard to get the air bubbles out. Oh, I just made a giant booger. Yuck! Welcome back to slime time. Today we're going to be mixing random things into slime. First up, we have marshmallows. What happens if you mix marshmallows into slime? Let's try marshmallow clouds. So cute, fluffy, bouncy, squishy, and sticky. It's so gooey. Look at it go. Next we're going to pour in some clear glue. Can you squish it? Oh yeah. And now let's add some glitter. It's so pretty. It looks like clouds. And it's so satisfying to sprinkle. I love it when it hits the bowl just right. We need to make this sparkle. Okay, let's pour in some neon pink liquid. That's better. Now let's pour in some foam balls. Watch out, it's so high. Whoops! Do. This is so fun. A little bit too bubbly for my liking, but it's so cool how it's all mixed together. Next, we're gonna mix in some Swedish fish. This is exciting. Oh, they're all the same color. Oh, wait, there's one red one. We need more colors. Let's add some Skittles. That should do it. Do it. Okay. Next we're going to get out the Slimebot 2000. Adding jelly beans. Complete. Boop beep. I love that sound. I'm gonna get out the stress ball. Squeeze me. Oh yeah. And then let's pour in some of this blue liquid. There we go. Now we're gonna put everything back in the bowl. And let's see what happens. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. It's so pretty. It's like a unicorn threw up in here. and it's so satisfying. Look at it go. Oh, I'm tired. Just a little bit tired. You know when you're just tired and you really want to take a nap, but you can't because you have things to do, but you're really tired. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Anyone else feel like that sometimes? Just a little bit. I'm just a little bit tired. It's so fluffy. This is so relaxing. I love ASMR. Do you love ASMR? I do. That's why I make these videos. Because I love ASMR. If you love ASMR, hit the subscribe button. Slime, faces and piping, art, Puffy. Let's make smiley faces with our piping bags. Gooey, mine has eyeballs made of buttons. Yay! Sharks and subtitles. Let's make faces. Use pink, yellow and blue piping bags to draw smiley faces on a slime tray. One for each color, please. Tactile camera zoom on nozzle piping soft foam slime. Soft rhyme music. Draw a circle, give it eyes, add a squiggle. What a surprise. Slimebot 2000. Analyzing face. Result, adorable. So cute. Let's make some more. 3, 2, 1. Go. Gooey, your turn. Eyeballs. Surprise. Nozzle. Do the squiggle. Piping bags, make a face. Tactile camera. Zoom in on the eyes. It's time for the Mystery Slime Challenge. And here's a box with lots of question marks on it. What could be inside here? Oh, let's open this. It's a big box. We need to work together. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at all these colorful boxes inside. So many colors. And this one has glitter. Oh, and this one has a feather. Ooh, mystery bug. It looks like a big spider. And there's more. Ooh, a magnifying glass. This would be fun to put a bug under there, and a bunch of little boxes. These might be fun to put in the slime. Let's put the boxes to the side for now, and check out the slime. First we'll pour the glittery one. Pour, pour. So sparkly. I wonder what will happen if we stretch it. Oh, it's turning into a sheet. Can you see through it? It's so stretchy. Look at that. Next is the feather one. Pour, pour. That was a lot of feathers. I bet it'll look cool with the light shining through. Wow, look at that. The feathers are floating. It kind of looks like a bird is flying through the slime. Let's look at the bug slime. Pour, pour. There's a lot of bugs in here. I wonder if they'll be able to fly in the slime. You can see all the little legs and wings. Hey, let's put the magnifying glass on top. That way we can see everything up close. Last is the mystery box. Pour, pour. What's in here? Oh, more mystery bugs. I think we have enough slime to fill up all of these little boxes. Fill, 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 fill. Now we can put all of our little boxes in the big box. And we're done. Puffy, do you want to pick a slime to play with? I pick sparkly cereal. Ooh, me too. But there's also bugs in yours. Ew. Don't worry, I got the fake kind. They're not real. You don't look so sure about that. Well, they're definitely fake to me. Hey, let's sing a song while we play. Okay, mix it up, don't be shy. Even bugs can bounce and fly. Mix it up, don't be shy. Even bugs can bounce and fly. Water slime, plus bubbles. Narrator, now let's make bubble slime. Puffy, water slime is slippery like jelly. Gooey, I'll blow bubbles on top. Pop. Subtitles, let's make bubble slime. Camera shows water clear slime stretch with slow shimmer. Background rhyme, wibble wobble, see it shine. Jiggly jiggly bubble slime. Slimebot 2000. Activating bubble blowers. Psh, pop. Bubbles float as kids hear satisfying popping FX. Like this slime. You'll love the others too, so check out the full video for all the bubbly, glittery fun. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode of Slime Time. Get ready for a color mix-up. Puffy, what happens if we mix all the colors? Gooey, let's find out. Rainbow time. Subtitles, rainbow slime. Catchy song with hand movements. Red and blue make purple shine. Mix them up to make new slime. Yellow plus green. Color blast. Slime rainbow growing fast. Show hands slowly mixing 5 colors into one gooey swirl. Then pour the slime onto the table and it magically turns into a rainbow. This is so fun. Slimebot 2000. Color detected. Awesome! Slime animals. Narrator. Can you make animals out of slime? Puffy. I made a jelly bear. Gooey. This one's a squishy puppy. Subtitles. Let's make slime animals. Nursery rhyme voice. Make a nose and give it feet. Add a tail. It's super sweet. Zoom in on soft slime, shaped into cute animals. Slow peel off tray. Slimebot 2000. Slime zoo mode activated. So this is how we make slime animals. First you need a big block of slime, just like this. Then you need to roll it out into a sheet, just like this. See? Now we're going to use our slimer to cut out animal shapes. Oh, like this. Perfect. Now we just gotta add some eyes and a mouth. And don't forget the details, like the fur on the tail. There we go. We have an adorable little puppy. But wait, there's more. We can make a whole zoo of slime animals. Let's make a giraffe, a lion, oh, and a monkey. And they're all so squishy and soft. It's the squishiest zoo in the world. Sing and squish, rhyme time, Puffy and Gooey. Sing together. Squish it, soft and slow. Slime goes everywhere we go. Sing along and stretch it wide. Our slimy friends are by our side. Kids join along on screen with bouncing subtitles. Narrator, let's sing your favorite nursery rhymes in slime. Mini medley. Ba, ba, black sheep with black glitter slime. Itsy bitsy spider with web-like stretch slime. Welcome to Sing and Squish Rhyme Time. I'm here with my 2 slimiest friends, Puffy and Gooey, and we love to sing. Do you like to sing? Of course you do. So let's sing and squish along to all of our favorite nursery rhymes, but with a slimy twist. Just remember, no matter how gooey or gross things get, we clean up at the end. So don't be scared. Let's have fun. Yay! First up, it's Squish It. Puffy and Gooey sing together. Squish it, soft and slow. Slime goes everywhere we go. Sing along and stretch it wide. Our slimy friends are by our side. Kids join along on screen with bouncing subtitles. Narrator, let's sing your favorite nursery rhymes in slime. Now it's time for our first song. Ba ba black sheep with black glitter slime. Next up, it's Itsy Bitsy Spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With our super stretchy slime, it looks just like a web. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We made it to the top. 21, 22, 23, 24. Do you know the next part? 25, 26, 27, 28. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. 29, 30. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. 31, 32, 33, 34. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. 35, 36, 37, 38. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. And last but not least, it's Old MacDonald. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow. Moo, 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 moo. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's that sound? A pig. Oinky, 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 oinky. Oinky, 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 oinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's that? A duck. Quack, 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 quack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And finally, a sheep. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for singing and squishing along with us today. If you liked it, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.